Hey there, Delilah.
Hi,
How's it going?
good.
It's another podcast.
Coming at you.
Coming at ya. We're live at the house.
Yeah. And we doing a foot in Mommy's bedroom today.
We're doing what?
A foot in Mommy's bedroom.
A fort?
Yeah.
Well, news to me. I guess we're doing a fort. Let's go. Oh, thanks, babe.
Welcome.
Something like this. So, let's see here.
That is good. So, a big puff. Uh-oh. Oh, then we set this up again.
Silly child.
Ooh, it's cool. We making a good foot today.
For sure, dude.
Ooh, it's so cool.
Whoa.
Look at this, guys. It's so beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it. I'll bring him. Mr. Rogers.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I feel claustrophobic. I gotta get out of here.
It's another podcast. Let me take it.
Hello, Toddcasters. Here we are under the fort.
We're doing a reading today.
Yeah.
So, this reads this one.
Llama, llama, red pajama. Should I rap it like all those other cool people do? Llama, llama. Can you make a beat for me? You go.
Llama, llama, red pajama, reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama llama goes downstairs.
Yeah, llama, llama, red pajama, feels alone without his mama. Baby llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama, llama, red pajama, calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby llama hums a tune. Llama, llama, red pajama, waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby llama starts to fret. Llama, llama, red pajama, hollers loudly for his mama. Baby llama stomps and pouts. Baby llama jumps and shouts.
Llama, llama, red pajama, in the dark without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if mama llama's gone?
Llama, llama, red pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama, llama, run, run, run.
Little llama, don't you know? Mama llama loves you so. Mama llama's always near, even if she's not right here. Llama, llama, red pajama, gets you kisses from his mama, snuggles pillows soft and deep. Baby llama goes to sleep.
It's a morning.
It's a morning. Wazoo.
This one's called I Love You Forever.
Love you
Always,
forever.
as long as I'm living, my baby will be.
A mother held her new baby and very slowly rocking back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And while she held him, she sang, I'll love you forever, I'll like you for always, as long as I'm living, my baby you'll be.
The baby grew. He grew and he grew and he grew. He grew until he was 2 years old. He pulled all the books off the shelves. He pulled all the food out of the fridge. And he took his mother's watch and flushed it down the toilet. Sometimes his mother would say, "This kid is driving me crazy." So, how's it going, friends?
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Anything to say, Mr. Rogers?
Woo!
Happy birthday, Mama. Love, Mommy. I love you.
You repeated what we said on our thing that we made you. It was so cute. You gotta listen to it again.
Happy birthday, Mama. Love, Mommy. I love you.
You said happy. It was your birthday, but you said happy birthday, mamas. Love mommy and mama. Love you. I love this that you made.
Yeah,
it for us.
my Emma good Sonic here, you guys.
Oh my goodness. You're so cute. Guess what? Remember Build-A-Bear? This is where we made that. Build-A-Bear. They're coming out with Bluey Build-A-Bears. It's going to be like this one. It's probably going to be around this size.
No,
And you could stuff it and you could put your own heart in it. And you could probably put a sound from Bluey in it.
what
Like we have all these other Bluey things. So.
What about Tommy dress up like Bluey? I can love that.
You want Tommy to dress up like Bluey?
Yeah, my promise will be nuts out.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
We love you all.
We love you all.
We're happy to be back, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been a long time since we've podcast, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've just been doing other things, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. But coming back at you.
Yeah.
Peace out!
Peace out! See you.
We're outside.
Yeah, I'm doing music.
And we're going to do music.
Yeah. For birdies.
For all the birds. Yep.
Birdies, here is music.
Yeah.
We got to make up a music. Ready, set, go.
I wonder if I could do this with my foot. Oh, let's see here.
Maybe Mike can do this.
What I could do with my foot.
Do this.
Do some shakers?
Yeah, Mike, do you want to do this? Let's do a loud music.
Yeah.
Now, Mother, let's do this.
Okay. Ready? 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
I love you, harmony. Love when you sing to me.
Every high and every low led to this. I'm just so glad you exist.
Is there a bee by me? Is there a bee? Is there a bee by me? Man.
Ready?
Ready, set,
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3,
3.
4.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Hakuna Matata. Are we gonna summon rain? That's what I feel like we're gonna do. Whoa. It's okay. It's okay. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. See if he comes back. That's called a dragonfly.
Look me. Okay, right here. I got 2 losers.
Wow, I'm scorching.
I'm scorching in the sun. Oh my god.
Scorching in the sun.
Go, 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 go,